Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can send videos as snaps on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to do is to open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on the icon with the camera, and here you need to click on camera roll, and then you need to select any video and click on send, and here you need to select any of your friends. So let me select the first one and click on send, and now it is sending. So let me show you how it will look. So click on that. So now you can see that this is sending to my friend, but it will not be sent as snaps. So how you can send video as snap? You simply need to go back and open Play Store and search your OVF editor. Then you need to open that and click on photo and video, and here you need to click on select video, click on gallery, click on just once, and in from gallery you need to select a video. Okay, and now you can see that this video will be sent as snap. So let me select the friend. So now this video will be sent as snap to one of my friend. Okay, so this is the process by which you can send video as snaps on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.